Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, where have you been? No, sorry, I'm just joking. I'm actually a new channel, so no wonder if you haven't found me yet, so that's okay. And if you want to see how I went from this to this transformation, then just please keep on watching. So let's get started. First things first, I'm using a no filter from NYX Cosmetics as primer, and I will also use this Wunder2Cosmetics lip satin oil for my lips, which I love this so much. And I've also been loving this primer from NYX Cosmetics. I was a little bit confused because it was like a BB cream, but once you put it on your face, the color disappears, so it's really nice, smooth, hydrated. It's great for the dry skin, and I have like really dry skin. I'm applying a washable glue stick to cover just the tail of my eyebrows, so I can make a little bit different shape for them. Make sure to brush them upwards. Oh, it's so hard. Press it really well with your fingers and let it dry. Now make sure to apply some translucent powder on top of this glue and make it dry. After it's dry, just wipe it off. Next step will be to apply some high coverage concealer. This one is Gotcha Covered from a NYX Cosmetics. And I am going directly in with my finger because I found this technique the more effective. I know it's so light, but it will blend perfectly with everything else. And again, I applied some translucent powder on top, and now I'm going in filling my eyebrows. And this is again the Inglot 77 gel eyeliner. And if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, you have the whole eyebrow tutorial on my YouTube video, and I will link it down below. And for the tail of my eyebrow, I'm using the Wunder2 Dual Precision Brow Eyeliner, just because I find it easier to work with. Okay, so the next product is this Wunder2Cosmetics Define and Highlight pencil. It really does what it says. It really does define and highlight your eyebrow. So don't be confused. Right now it looks too pink, but once you blend it and apply this part, it will just be perfect. So let's do some highlight. This is the first step of highlighting my face. So first I'm gonna go in and highlight the bridge of my nose. And this is like really light concealer. This one is the one that I've used before, the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. And I'm just going to blend this out. So now as I blended my highlight, now I'm gonna go in with some dark foundation just to make some shades. I know it looks so weird right now. And I am using a foundation just because it is easier to work with it at this point, because I'm not going in with a heavy contour. Today I'm gonna be working with the Juvias Place Warrior palette. I've used this one already, have the whole YouTube tutorial, so you can check that out also. Starting off with the No shade. Oh, these eyeshadows are so pigmented, so I have to be like really careful. A Hosi shade. Now let's go in with some darker shade and blend this one as well. And now I'm gonna go in with mixing these two colors. Basically creating a shape that I don't have on my eye. And now I have to blend this line because obviously it is too harsh. Now for my highlight, I'm grabbing this Moremi color, which is my favorite. I love this color so much. So I did add some highlight right here, and I went in with this gold shade. It is such a yellow gold, true yellow gold color. So for my low lash line, I'm going in with the Cano shade, and I'm pulling this color all the way out. And I'm grabbing the Mino shade. Going in with some Benin shade to add some highlight. I will make this part right here even more darker. Okay, I'm back. So what I did off the camera, I just put the eyeliner inside of my eye and place some false lashes, and now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Oh, and I put the contact lenses also, so I do look kind of different immediately when I put them. So now for my foundation, I'm gonna be using, what am I gonna be using for my foundation? Well, I'm going in with the YSL Hours foundation in the shade BD50. I haven't filled my contour, oh my god. So I've used MakeupFactory's contour kit. This is for the light part, for the highlight part, and this one is for the dark part. So I've used it right here. Okay. So I just realized the first step of me doing contouring didn't film for some reason. I don't know what happened. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, moving on. Making this part right here smaller because I do have really strong part right here. And making my nose even smaller. And now let's just set everything in place and let it dry. So when the powder is set, just wipe it off. And I'm gonna go in with some MAC's loose powder in medium. I love this one. For the blush, I'm gonna use this from Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession right here. Ooh. And as for my highlight color, going in with Love You So Mochi from NYX Cosmetics. I'm using the first two shades. In the meantime, I did add some bronzer before, I forgot to say. For the lips, I'm going in with the MakeupFactory's lip liner. In the shade 44. And so now my phone died, even though it was on its charger. I don't know what's happening today. Like somebody doesn't want me to film. Okay, anyways. Fixing spray from NYX Cosmetics Dewy Finish. Oh, I added this, I wanted to say Velvet Feel. I added this Absolute Matte from Aura lipstick, and this one is in shade 605. For my highlight, as the last time I did, I'm going in with this Wunder2 pencil. Don't forget to blend it, Ivana. Otherwise, you will look like... And now for the highlighter, I'm going in with MAC Shaft of Gold because this one was too cold, if you know what I mean. Like, I realized it just once I put it on my face. So this is the final look. I did change my hair a little bit. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Did I accomplish to like change my face? I'm not sure. I will be able to see once I edit it, because when I have like side by side comparison, like when I can literally see it, I'm like, oh yeah, see, I did this and I did that, and it's, that's my dog, sorry. So I'm able to see like the real difference. Like for now, I'm not quite sure. I like the nose contouring for today. Like the technique is really good. I don't know. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh, I lost my earring. I know I look weird. Why are you looking at me like that?